Amazon unboxing, Sunday, 5 November 2023. Here's the box. It arrived not too long ago. I'm going to take and it's my address. I'm taking my address off. Oh, well, this is no audio check on this one, so I hope the audio is working. Okay, so let's see what I got. If not, I guess it'd be a silent video. Or I did an audio check and I forgot. Alright, let's see what I got. I placed an order of stuff, and I think they're sending it in 2 boxes. So, the first to arrive. Okay, up first, this is a Christmas present for my dad I bought. So this is a Logitech mouse. There's an electronic mouse that they have for their desktop computer, but it doesn't always work. So I'm like, sometimes analog's just the way to go. That cord works wonders. Okay, for myself, after my fiasco with trying to get an iPhone XS case and getting the iPhone Max instead, I went back and I got the iPhone XS. I decided to go with leather. This is lilac, not lavender, lilac. We have a lilac tree out in the backyard. I've put in some of my YouTube videos. That's been there for over 25 years kind of thing. And so this is a replacement. The one I have for my phone currently, a chunk of the case on a corner came out and it's like tore in one part and the varnish is worn off and the little threads are poking out. It's like, it's time. And for the other one I went with silicone, and I saw it and I was like, you know what, I'm just gonna go with leather again. So I decided to go with leather. So that was for me. This is for my mom for Christmas. They are Kind Bars Thins, so 90 calories, with the box is kind of a little coming loose. But so this is for my mom for Christmas that I bought. Right, this is a replacement for my current armband. I think this is like the 3rd one I've gotten of these or something like that. And I put it on my arm when I'm rowing and walk/running. And no, I didn't actually use it when I elliptical. Yeah. So it Velcros on. The Velcro on my previous case is starting to wear off, and then it's torn on one of the places. So this is a replacement for that. This is something I got for my grandma Connie for birthday. It's Stanley Tucci, Taste My Life Through Food. So it's an autobiography. Okay. She loves Stanley Tucci. My life through food, so she likes watching his cooking stuff. I haven't seen any of his cooking stuff. And then the last item is something I got for me. I got running shorts. I have a pair of blue running shorts, so I got those in black. So that's my Amazon unboxing. I paid for everything with gift cards I got for my family for Christmas in 2022 and for my birthday this year in 2023. So happy Amazon unboxing. I'm Tanis Coralee Leonhardi. This is my channel, Tanis Leonhardi. And I've done unboxing with REI Co-op stuff. I've bought from REI Co-op before, but I was like... And I've shown stuff I've bought through Amazon before, but I can't recall if I've done the actual, like, the package just arrived, let me open it. I've done that with REI, but now Amazon if I hadn't already. Happy Sunday, 5 November 2023. As of filming this.